This video will focus on mixed examples of expanding brackets from the broad general education. Example 1. Expand and simplify 8 add 2 bracket p add 4 subtract 5. Example 1, we have 8 add 2 bracket p add 4 subtracting 5. Now, we're still using the property of BIDMAS here, so therefore we have to do anything that's inside of a bracket, then we go into indices before divide and multiply. Finally, we then take on add and subtract. The reason I'm saying this, if we look here, a lot of people would want to just add these two things together. However, this 2 is multiplying everything inside of the bracket, so that's multiplying, so we must do that first of all. Leave your 8 exactly where it is, and now let's expand this bracket. Positive 2 multiplied by p, positive 2p, positive 2 multiplied by positive 4, positive 8. This subtract 5 is not inside of a bracket, so let's just write it down. And then let's try and tidy up. Okay, so I've got my positive 2p, I'll write that down first of all. 8 add 8 is 16, subtracting 5 leaves me positive 11. Example 2. Expand and simplify 13p add p bracket p add 4 subtract 2p squared. In this example, we're looking to expand the brackets and simplify. So, beginning we've got 13p and then we're adding on p multiplied by something. The multiplication has to come first. So all I'm going to do here is simply just write this 13p down. Expanding this bracket, p multiplied by p squared. P multiplied by 4 is 4p. And then I subtract my 2p squared. Let's tidy everything up. 13p add 4p, well that gives me 17p. Positive p squared subtract 2p squared gives me negative 1p squared. These can't be simplified any further, and so that is your final answer. Example 3. A rectangle is shown opposite. Part A, find a simplified expression for the perimeter. Part B, find a simplified expression for the area. In our final example, part A, we're asked to find an expression in its simplest form for the perimeter of the shape. The perimeter of any shape is the total distance around the outside of the shape. So, we're going to begin with capital P for perimeter. We have an h add 4, which also means this will be h add 4. So we have 2 lots of h add 4. Then we're going to have 2 lots of 2h. So I have 2 lots of 2h. So from there, we want it in its simplest form. Let's expand. So that gives me 2h add 8. And then 2 multiplied by 2h will give me 4h. Tidy up. 2h add 4h gives me 6h. And then we add on our 8. Part B, we're looking for a simplified expression for the area. So for the area, we know our formula is length multiplied by breadth for a rectangle. Now, we want to take 2h and multiply it by h add 4. So what I'm going to do here, I've got my 2h. Now rather than putting this multiplication symbol, I'm going to introduce my bracket and then I have h add 4. When you get something in front of a bracket, that just simply means multiply, so this works easily here for us. 2h multiplied by h is 2h squared. 2h multiplied by 4 is 8h. I cannot simplify these down, so therefore that is my simplified expression for the area of the rectangle.